Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x to the power of 3, we can put into x multiplied by x squared. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. We do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, we have 2u. First derivative of x squared, you got about 2x. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. Because we still have about x squared in here, so I will put number 1 go to the left. Now, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0 in here, so we need to put number 0 go in here. 1 plus 0 to the power of 2 under the square root. You got about u equals to number 1. When x equals to the square root of number 3. So I will put this one in here. 1 plus 3 under the square root. You have number 2. This one we have number 1. The square root of number 3 we have number 2. This one we change by u. S square we change by this one, u square minus 1. S dx we change by u du. U multiplied by u, we have u square. So u square multiplied by u square and number 1. The integration of u to the power of 4. We have number 5 in here. The integration of u to the power of 2. We have u to the power of 3 over 3. And then we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. Now we put number 2 go in here, number 1 go in here, and we have the final answer. We calculate about this one, and we have the final answer. We have 58 over 15. This is the end. Thank you for watching.